Ever wanted to jump into the world of gaming with your own personalized PS5 experience but don't know where to begin? Alright, let's dive right in. First, get your PS5 turned on and navigate to the home screen. This is your central hub for all things PlayStation. Next, grab your controller and scroll all the way to the right until you reach the settings icon, which looks like a gear or cogwheel. Select it by pressing the X button. Inside settings, you'll find a list of options for setting up your console. Scroll down until you find users and accounts. Select this and get ready to manage your profiles. Inside users and accounts, focus on the users section. This is where we'll add our new profile. Tap users. Now, on this screen, select add user. This starts the process of linking an account. You'll then see two options. Select get started. This is where we begin creating your new profile, so you can get access to your own things on your new account. On the next screen, select sign in with PlayStation Network. You now have the option to either use a QR code from the PlayStation app on your phone, or you can manually sign in using your email and password. Choose the option that works best for you. Once you've successfully signed in, follow the prompts to set up your account preferences. Upon signing in, you'll be directed back to the home screen, where you'll now see a new user icon representing the profile you just added. Select this icon to access your new personalized gaming experience. And that's it. Now you can switch between accounts with ease and enjoy gaming on your PS5. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more PS5 tips and tricks.